Owl. The owl hooted softly in the night. Kite. The kite flew effortlessly in the sky, looking for prey. Lark. The lark was singing high up in the sky. Dove. A dove is often seen as a symbol of peace. Crow. A crow was picking at the garbage. Duck. The duck quacked as it paddled across the pond. Stork. The stork was building a nest on top of the chimney. Hawk. The hawk dived swiftly to catch its prey. Swan. The swan glided gracefully across the lake. Egret. An egret stood motionless by the water's edge. Eagle. The eagle soared high above the mountains. Robin. The robin built a nest in the garden. Heron. The heron stood still, waiting for a fish to come close. Parrot. The parrot mimicked the words I said. Falcon. The falcon perched on the cliff's edge, scanning the horizon. Raven. A raven cawed loudly from the treetop. Goose. A goose honked loudly as it flew overhead. Turkey. The turkey was gobbling loudly in the barnyard. Pigeon. A flock of pigeons flew over the square. Vulture. The vulture circled in the sky, looking for food. Ostrich. The ostrich ran swiftly across the savanna. Toucan. The toucan has a large, colorful beak. Canary. The canary sang beautifully in its cage. Rosella. The rosella's vibrant colors make it a popular pet bird. Pelican. The pelican scooped up fish with its large beak. Magpie. The magpie collected shiny objects for its nest. Seagull. The seagull swooped down to grab a fish. Warbler. The warbler's song was a cheerful melody in the spring woods. Penguin. The penguin waddled towards the sea. Swallow. Swallows often migrate long distances during winter. Sparrow. A sparrow was chirping on the window sill. Peacock. The peacock spread its colorful feathers. Albatross. The albatross flew effortlessly over the ocean. Cockatoo. The cockatoo showed off its bright feathers. Cockatiel. The cockatiel whistled along to the music. Flamingo. The flamingo stood on one leg in the shallow water. Pheasant. The pheasant was hiding in the underbrush. Kingfisher. The kingfisher caught a fish with a swift dive. Woodpecker. The woodpecker pecked loudly on the tree in Central Park. Hummingbird. The hummingbird hovered near the flowers, sipping nectar.